What's going on, everyone? It's that time again where we go over the new stuff that just got added to our website. We've got some cool products to go over, so we're going to start off with some UFO plastic kits. Now, I'm going to start off with this red kit right here. This is a huge deal to me. This is the complete UFO plastic kit for the CRF 125F models. Now, this is a big deal because there are not a lot of aftermarket plastic options for these trail bikes. Having a plastic kit for the CRF 125F is a huge deal. UFO has delivered big here. Now, this one right here, this is the UFO restyle kit for the RM85. If you got an RM85 in your garage, that thing has stayed the same pretty much since 2001. You want to make it look a little bit different, make it stand out from the rest. This restyle kit is exactly what you want. You get two new fenders. The rear fender and front fender are styled like the current big bikes. They make your bike look sharp. Now, I will tell you, the number plates, front and side panels, and then the shroud is the same as your outgoing plastic kit, but these restyle fenders really make your bike look sharp. Now, we're offering this restyle kit for the RM85 in black or this neon yellow. Now, don't be confused. This is not RM yellow. This neon yellow is super, super bright. It's gonna make your bike stand out for sure. These plastic kits are awesome. If you're trying to refresh your bike, be sure to check out UFO Plastics, put in your year, make, and model of machine, and we'll see what we got for your bike. The next item that I've got for you today is the new Dunlop Geomax EN92. This is going to be the tire of choice if you love doing hard enduro type riding. This is the replacement to the EN91, and they have made some big changes here to make it so that you can get maximum grip when you need it in the rocks and the logs and the stuff that you have when you're pushing your bike's limits. You're going to notice the new V-block pattern. This is based off of the Geomax MX14 motocross sand tire, and this is going to give you that hard biting edge that's going to help give you that forward drive. They're also offering this in two different compounds. You're gonna have the standard and the soft, both of which will be on our website. This is gonna be an awesome tire if you're looking for a hard enduro specialized tire. The next item that I've got for you today is from Glue Tread. Now, these guys have a ton of different ways that you can fix your tire when you take on tire damage out on the trail. And this one's very cool. This is an emergency valve stem kit. If you tear your valve stem out on the trail, you're toast. Unless you've got one of these, they install toollessly and make it so you can get back out on the trail once you've aired up your tire. The next item that I've got for you today is from ASV. This is their new S1 lever setup. This is made specifically for the Brembo brakes and clutch. So if you've got a KTM, Husky, Gas, Beta, and you've got those Brembo components, these are the levers you're gonna want if you don't want a folding lever. These are forged out of 6061 aluminum. They're gonna be super strong. And again, so if you're not wanting a folding lever, but you want a nice strong lever, ASV has you covered. If you're looking to up your casual game, we've got some new stuff to show you from Fast House. We've got the Sherwin yarn dye long sleeve t-shirt. Great if you're looking to live fast, die happy, of course. And then we've got their Pillar crew neck sweatshirt. I like this crew neck sweatshirt because it's got the main graphic on the back, but Fast House always does a great job with their casual gear. The last item that I've got for you guys today is from Fox Racing. This is their Honda oversized crew sweatshirt. Now, this thing is awesome. I love Hondas, and if you've been repping the brand since it was No Wing, No Prayer or Ride Red, Fox has killed it with a style that you're going to love. These items that we've gone over today are all new on our website. You can click on the link below to check all these out. But as always, we do this video every single week because we want to keep you guys in the loop. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.